Namaskar. Today we are going to speak about migraine. Migraine is a chronic neurological disease which has intense headache and it also accompanied by nausea, vomiting, and extreme sensitivity to line edge sound. So we can do various pranayams and asanas to cure migraine, wherein our expert shows you that we can start with the Bhastrika pranayam here. And you can do the Bhastrika pranayam for 20 to 40 times daily and increase the number of counts over a period of time. Bhastrika pranayam increases the oxygen level in your brain, hence opening all the blockages, also increasing the lung capacity, so there is more oxygen which goes to your complete body, your blood and your brain, hence relieving one from the migraine. After you do the Bhastrika, you can also practice Kapalbhati pranayam. As we mentioned, Kapal means forehead and Bhati means shining. So this pranayam increases the blood flow in your body, hence all your cells which are dead or which are not working properly gets regenerated with the flow of blood by doing the Kapalbhati. Also there is an increase of oxygen level in your brain. After this, we also show you that you can practice Anulom Vilom, wherein you have to lock your right nostril and inhale from the left. Similarly, lock the inhale nostril and exhale from the right. Now inhale from the right, lock the right nostril and exhale from the left. So this is one round that you have completed in Anulom Vilom Pranayam. You can do around 20 to 40 times this exercise daily. So the Bhastrika and the Anulom Vilom Pranayam can be done 20 to 40 times daily, and Kapalbhati can be done between 100 to 300 times. Anulom Vilom definitely and directly works on the central nervous system. Hence, any miscommunication within the nerves is cured by the practice of Anulom Vilom. Now expert teacher is demonstrating how we do the Bhramri. In this pranayam, you have to close your ears. Your hand fingers should be on your eyes, and then you have to create sound like a honeybee. You can do this 5 to 7 times daily for better results. Bhramri also works on the CNS, which is the central nervous system, and helps any miscommunication between the nerves in the central nervous system is cured by doing the Bhramri pranayam. Om chanting is also known as the Udgir pranayam, which again brings vibrations in the head, works on the CNS system, central nervous system, increases the blood flow and the oxygen level in the body, and helps cures ones from migraine problems. So these are the basic 5 pranayams that one can practice and they can get relief from migraine. After this, our teacher will demonstrate one asana which is good for migraine, which is called the Balasana, also known as the child pose. In this asana, you can sit in the Vajrasana and then slowly with your hands bend forward while try to touch your head on the floor. Stay in this position for around 10 to 15 seconds and then relax back, come to the normal position in the Vajrasana. Make sure that you follow the breathing pattern. You have to exhale when you go down on the floor and you have to inhale when you come up to the normal position. You can practice this asana for 10 to 15 times daily to get cure in migraine. So all these pranayam and asanas will help you get relief from the issues like migraine over a period of time. Thank you very much for watching this video. Namaskar.